To make this delicious Makhadi Halwa, you will need 1 cup of suji or semolina, 2 cups of milk. Firstly, you're going to mix your suji with your milk and leave that to rest for an hour. You will need half a cup of ghee, 3/4 cups of sugar or to taste, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, coconut pieces 1/4 cup, chopped almonds 1/4 cup, pistachio slash pista 1/4 cup, Firstly, you're going to melt your ghee in a heated pot and you're going to add your sugar and cardamom powder to it and stir that together until the sugar slightly changes in colour. Next, add in your suji and milk that you left to rest. Then stir until all the lumps are gone and keep on stirring until you get like a nice consistency where it all sticks together. Keep stirring on a low flame. This is the consistency that you are looking for. After this, add in your nuts and coconuts. So here we have our delicious Makhadi Halwa. It's very easy to make with the step-by-step tutorial and can be enjoyed as a dessert. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.